Welcome to the TCC Hotel Reservation System video tutorial. Today, I'm going to teach you how to operate using the automated hotel reservation system. The first thing you will do is to open the application. So this is the main page of the user interface. So the first thing that we will do is to click the home page. So this is the home page. You can see that there are two inputs which are the check-in and the check-out input. Now you will input the day you will check in and the day you will check out. So then click on availability button to check the available rooms of the particular date that you selected. It will show all the available rooms. You must select your room and then click book now. After that, it will show your booking card which contain the information of your booking process such as room type, check-in date, check-out date, number of nights, price, room, and the total amount. The clear card button is used in canceling your reservation. Now, to continue booking process, you must click on continue booking button. The next part will require your personal details. You must also agree to the terms and conditions of the company. So this so this is the terms and condition of the company. So check, then confirm. After that, it will show your billing details. You can also type your special request at below the billing detail. So this is the special request. So to continue, click on submit booking. After that, it will show your reservation details. It also contain your confirmation code, which will be given before checking in at the hotel. You can also print the reservation details for your personal copy. So this is how to operate in reservation system. So this is the user interface.